girl loved animals, but one day she did something insane. She turned herself into one, not metaphorically, but literally. And what she discovered, animals weren't just surviving, they were preparing for war. In a quiet town surrounded by nature, we meet Mabel, a young girl obsessed with animals. She grew up exploring forests, bonding with animals, bonding with wildlife, and learning one simple truth: animals aren't the problem, humans are. After losing someone very close to her, that forest became more than just a land. It became her responsibility. But while she's trying to protect it, the city has other plans. The town's greedy mayor announced a massive construction project, a highway right through the forest, and according to him, there are no animals left anyway. But Mabel knows that's a lie, because animals don't just disappear. They are either hiding or running from something. While trying to prove her point, Mabel stumbled upon something unbelievable: a secret experiment, a technology that allows humans to transfer their mind into robotic animals. Yes, you heard that right, humans becoming animals. The program is called Hoppers. Scientists created it to study wildlife, but Mabel sees it as something else, a chance to save them. Ignoring warnings, ignoring consequences, activates the machine, and in seconds, consciousness leaves her body and waking up inside a robotic beaver. Now she can walk like them, talk like them, live like them. For the first time ever, she enters the animal world. At first, everything seems magical. Animals communicating, working together, living in a hidden society far more organized than humans think. But then she notices something strange. There are too many animals in one place, crowded, dense, almost like refugees. This isn't their home, it's a shelter. And that's when she meets the leader, a beaver king, strong, calm, but clearly under pressure. He explains that animals didn't leave the forest willingly. They were forced out, driven away by something unnatural, something only animals could hear. While exploring deeper, Mabel discovered the truth: hidden devices disguised as trees, emitting high-frequency sounds humans can't hear, but animals can't escape its torture. And suddenly, everything makes sense. The Major didn't find an empty forest, he created one. Fueled by anger, Mabel takes matters into her hands. She destroys one of the devices. Hope spread. For the first time, it feels like they can fight back. But Mabel makes one mistake. She gets too involved. What started as a mission to help is now becoming something bigger. Animals aren't just trying to survive anymore. They are starting to organize, plan, react, and not all of those plans are peaceful. Mabel realizes too late. By stepping into their world, she may have changed it forever. Now stuck between two worlds, humans and animal, Mabel must figure out one thing: did she come to save the animal, or accidentally start something much more dangerous? And that's where we will stop, because what happens next gets absolutely wild. If you want part 2, drop a like and a subscribe, because the story is